Hello everyone, my name is Sanjana. In this video, I am going to share my every and each personal experience that I feel in my journey. So, I am going to also share how I started learning English and why I started learning English and how to get rid of shyness, of fear, of hesitation. So, please watch this video till the end so that it will be helpful for you. If you haven't subscribed my channel, it is my humble request to you, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the like button. So let's start without wasting our time. So when I was my schooling years, I know we all have the same moment for our schooling when we talk about our schools. Yes, we did all same things. All we did the same things because when we are in our school, we are learning English only for getting good marks, in our school tests and exams. And I was one of those, and I was also one of those. I was learning English in my school days only for getting good marks, and that time I did not even think of learning English, and I did not think that one day I will speak English. Because of that time, I had different goals, and I just wanted to be something different. So when my inter when my 12th completed, it there entered COVID-19 in this world, and you know all that after coming it caused lockdown, and because of lockdown, many people had to close their shops, and it made people to leave their jobs, and it made students to stop their study. Yeah, it was a very big hurdle, it was really very big obstacle of that time. So I was one of them who faced the same problem, and because of COVID-19, because of lockdown, my father had to close his shop. So after closing shop, we started facing financial problems, and we were really facing financial problem already. And when my father got one of his kidney failed. Yes, my father got one of his kidney failed. Yeah, that was really heartbreaking moment for my family, because of I was because we were already failing. We were already facing the financial problems, and it make it bigger, and it make our problem more serious, and it made our problem very serious. And when we concerned to doctor, he said his kidney had to be removed, and he asked for 1 lakh money. He asked for 1 lakh rupees. So it was very hard to manage all those things because of financial problems. So I was not able that time to prepare for anything. I was not doing study for seriousness. Yes, I was just studying, and I was doing it irregular way. Yes, I was doing it in irregular way because of all those problems. Yeah, when there were COVID-19, when there were era of COVID-19, I started learning some of vocabularies, some of easy words, some of sentences, because I was feeling very boredom. So I learned some of vocabularies, easy words. Then when I turned to my BSc second year, I started preparing for competitive exam. I was not serious for exam. I was just preparing, only saying of some people that you should prepare for SSC exam. I was not passionate for it because of I had no enough time. I had no good resources. So, and I really did not have guidance. Guidance is the most important thing to do anything, to start anything. So lack of guidance and lack of other resources, I was not able to prepare, but I was just doing by saying some of people. Yes, and then I felt something to learn English, and I started getting into it. Means I started understanding English, and that was really very good for me. I am just going to suggest you what to do for learning English. If you really want to learn English and you are a beginner, you have just started it. So do one thing. Start watching videos on YouTube, story videos, and with subtitle, because title is mandatory. When you watch the video with subtitle, you will be able to consume it very easily, and it will be clear for you. So, and I will suggest you not to do Hollywood movies first, because initially stage it is very tough to understand you. So just start from simple stories when you search in YouTube English stories, it will provide you English stories, and these stories is very easy to understand it. So start from there. And you can do one other thing. If there are some children around you, go to them and ask for their books, because when you start learning their books, you will get words which are really easy, which would be easy. You will get good words, simple words, which will be easy for you, and you will learn it more easily.